How to write a business plan for your auto repair shop? The answer is simple. Use an AI business planning tool. Before AI, you would have to do market and competition analysis, define your products and services portfolio, your sales, marketing, and operation plans. Then you open up an Excel file, write 1,000 formulas to create your financial model. Then you can start writing, polishing, and formatting your business plan. This would usually take you between a week and a month. And to be honest, it's quite a boring process. Today with AI, you can have your business plan done faster, in a better quality, and it's actually fun. It's faster because you can have your business plan ready in the next hour. Not days, not weeks, hours. It's better quality because AI will guide you through the planning process. It will make sure you don't miss anything important. It will suggest improvements, and it will write your plan in a perfect language and format. And it's actually fun because it is an interactive experience. So instead of listening to me for the next 1 hour telling you how to write a business plan for your auto repair shop, go to modeliks.com right now and have your plan ready in the next 1 hour. Enjoy planning, and for an example business plan for a repair shop, look at the description of this video.